Hey y'all, welcome back to Organic Homesteaders. Okay, so today we're diving deep into the exciting world of urban homesteading. Living off the land but in the city? It's absolutely possible, but does require a bit of creativity and a good outline for what you want to achieve. Whether you're in a tiny apartment or have a touch more space, these 7 easy steps will have you winning at urban homesteading. Let's go! Number 1. Small space gardening. Even a single pot can transform a window ledge or balcony, proving that the joy of growing your own garden fits anywhere, any size. Start with a little basil plant on your windowsill. Then you can experiment with vegetables like peppers and flowers for pollinators. Fresh herbs make everything taste better. Vertical gardening is a game changer. A variety of gardening containers use shelving, racks, or mounted containers to make the most of any sunny wall. You can grow everything from leafy greens to strawberries, offering city dwellers the chance to produce more in less space. Hanging planters can turn your ceiling into a garden. Window boxes are the OG of urban gardening and are incredibly versatile. Stick some flowers or herbs in there for an instant mood booster. Start small, pick useful plants, get creative with your space, and continue expanding over time. Number 2. Composting is a powerful step towards sustainability, whether on a sprawling homestead or a small city balcony. Composting is also a fantastic way to reduce kitchen waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your small space gardens. Just a few small buckets, a mix of greens and browns, and a little patience can turn everyday waste into valuable garden gold. Things like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells are perfect. For those without outdoor space, indoor worm bins are an ideal solution. Worm composting, or vermiculture, is a clean, odor-free way to compost indoors. The entire process is fascinating to watch and incredibly rewarding. Start composting today. Every small contribution makes a lasting impact. Your plants will love it. Give it a try and watch your garden flourish. Pro tip: avoid meat and dairy to prevent smells and pests. Stick to plant-based scraps for the best results. Number 3. Preserving and canning your own food can not only offset higher costs, but you are ensuring that you can savor each season's flavors year-round. Essential tools like mason jars, a large pot, and a canning rack make it easy to start. Water bath canning is a beginner-friendly method that's ideal for preserving jams, pickles, and sauces, keeping summer flavors alive through winter. Beyond canning, pickling and fermenting are excellent ways to preserve produce. Of course, in urban spaces, creative storage solutions are key. You don't need a root cellar. Stash your canned goods under beds, in closets, or on shelves, labeling them for easy access. Food preservation is a fantastic way to make sure nothing goes to waste and you can enjoy your harvest all year round. People have been doing it for generations, and for good reason. It's satisfying to see jars filled with your homemade goodness. Each jar is a testament to your effort and care. So grab some mason jars and feel like a homesteading hero. Number 4. Chickens in the city? Raising small livestock? Maybe. Urban farming is becoming increasingly popular, and raising chickens is a fantastic way to get started. Imagine having fresh eggs right from your backyard every morning. In some urban areas, small livestock like chickens, rabbits, or even bees are allowed. Check city guidelines to understand any restrictions or requirements. Chickens can also help with pest control in your garden, while rabbits are excellent for producing garden-enriching manure. Bees are valuable pollinators, making them beneficial additions to urban homesteads. Small hives are manageable in city environments, providing delicious homegrown honey and helping to strengthen the local ecosystem. Raising animals comes with challenges, though. You'll need to ensure their living spaces are clean and well-maintained to keep an orderly and disease-free urban homestead. Ensure they have food, water, and a clean place to live. Regular care and attention are essential for their well-being. Raising small livestock is the ultimate farm-to-table experience. Imagine the satisfaction of cooking with ingredients you've raised yourself. It's also a great way to teach kids about where their food comes from. It's an educational and rewarding experience for the whole family. Number 5. Let's talk about keeping your urban homestead clean. It's essential while living in the city to reduce your exposure to toxins wherever possible. By creating your own cleaning products, you can control the ingredients, creating a safer home while saving money. These simple changes reduce waste, limit chemicals, and give you practical, personalized solutions. No large space required, just a commitment to cleaner living. Begin by using ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, lemon, essential oils, and Castile soap. These non-toxic cleaners have dozens of uses and are powerful and eco-friendly. DIY recipes for all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, and floor cleaner are easy to make. Mixing organic apple cider vinegar with water and a few drops of essential oils creates a multi-purpose cleaner that cuts through grime while leaving a fresh scent. Baking soda's scrubbing power works wonders for tough spots and leaves surfaces sparkling. Upcycling containers for DIY cleaners reduces waste, giving bottles a second life. Refillable spray bottles and glass jars are ideal for storing homemade solutions, making every cleaning session a step toward sustainability. Number 6. Every drop counts, especially in urban spaces. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a small townhouse, water conservation will help you maintain cleaner water and reduce the bills. Simple steps like using rain barrels, gray water recycling, or water-saving fixtures make a meaningful impact, proving every urban homesteader can help preserve the most precious resource. Rainwater harvesting can be adapted for urban spaces with compact containers. Small rain barrels or even repurposed buckets collect water for garden use, offering a free, eco-friendly resource. With a simple gray water system, water from showers or sinks can be repurposed to irrigate plants. Small filters make it safe for non-edible plants, providing a sustainable solution for garden hydration without extra water use. Always be sure to use biodegradable soap and all-natural cleaners. Water-saving devices like aerators, timed irrigation systems, and efficient faucets reduce water use indoors and out. These small upgrades and modifications save money and conserve water, an important step for eco-conscious urban dwellers. You'll be surprised at how much you can save. Save water and money. Number 7. Handmade and upcycled DIY projects bring creativity and an artistic sensibility to any space, no matter the size. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a city townhouse, every DIY project transforms your surroundings, adds personal charm, and reduces waste. Upcycling furniture, for example, breathes new life into old items, reducing waste and adding character to your home. A coat of paint, new handles, or reupholstering can transform tired pieces into unique decor that reflects your personality. Homemade soaps, candles, and personal care items bring a touch of luxury to daily routines. By making your own, you control the ingredients, ensuring products are natural, chemical-free, and tailored to your preferences. This will also greatly reduce allergies to harsh chemicals. Make your home smell amazing with no downside to your health. Use your creativity and personality. Bring that big homestead vibe right to the heart of the city. I always stress the importance of community. The great news is that it's even easier to find in a highly populated city. Building community connections in urban homesteading fosters resilience, support, and shared knowledge. By joining local groups, online groups, and community-supported agriculture programs to learn together, homesteaders create a thriving network designed for long-term growth. Sharing resources saves money and encourages lasting participation. Seed swaps, tool shares, and skill workshops make homesteading more accessible and deepen community bonds. By collaborating, urban homesteaders strengthen their knowledge and resilience while having fun with like-minded people. And there you have it. 7 super easy steps to transform your urban jungle into a thriving homestead. Take small steps. You don't have to do everything at once. Pick one thing that speaks to you and go from there. Most importantly, have fun with it. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, homesteading with others builds a network of inspiration that can strengthen neighborhood bonds and make self-sufficiency achievable in any city. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. See you next time at Organic Homesteaders.